Replacing the camshaft position sensor on a 1999 Chevrolet Suburban 5.7 liter. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a T20, a T15, and a sensor. The sensor is about $30. Start by removing your throttle body air intake. Remove the 4 spark plug wires on the driver's side of the distributor cap. Now you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws holding the distributor cap in place. Once you get the cap loose, push it to your left. This will expose the disc and sensor. Now you're going to need to get your T15 and take the 2 screws out of the rotor button and remove the rotor button. Now that that's clear, you can see the black disc and the sensor. The disc has a square notch. This square notch must be lined up directly over the sensor. This will allow you to remove the sensor. Take your key, turn the engine over until the square lines up directly over your sensor at about 1 o'clock. Take your 2 screws out, they're T20s, and remove the sensor. The new sensor comes with some new screws. Work your new sensor in the same way you took the old sensor out. Press it down flat and reinstall your 2 T20 screws. Using electrical tape helps you guide the screws in place. Reinstall your rotor button with your 2 T15 screws and make sure you've got a good electrical connection to your sensor. Replace your distributor cap and the 4 wires you've removed. Now you're done. Put your throttle body intake back on and you have completed the job.